Hi, I'm Andy, the Trend Follower. It's Saturday, the 4th of January 2020. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset class is going to do best, so I follow all of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency and bonds. Let's start off looking at shares or stocks first of all. And the fund that I follow to get exposed to shares hasn't changed much at all this week. It's still above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Let's look at property next, and no real change here in the property fund. It's well above the green line, so I'm staying invested in this fund too. Gold is next up, and quite an upward move for gold this week. It's done very well. It's well above the green line. I did think it was going to go down below it, but it's done quite the opposite. I'm staying invested, of course. Commodities are the fourth asset class. I knew eventually it would come. The commodities fund has closed last week above the green line, which is my signal to invest. I have a new buy signal. I'll be buying back in about 11% cheaper than I sold for back in the summer of 2018, 18 months ago. And this is the whole point of this style of trading. Cryptocurrency is next. It's still below the green line, so I'm staying in cash. I don't trade in and out of bonds. I just remain invested in three differently denominated bond ETFs, one in pounds, one in euros, and one in US dollars. It hedges my bets a little bit. Here are the traffic light signals for each of the asset classes this week. Shares are on a green, so I'm invested. Property, it's a green, I'm invested. Gold, it's a green, I'm invested. Commodities, this is a new signal for me, so I'm buying in. Cryptocurrency, it's red, I'm in cash. Bonds for me with my system are always on a green. So what do I have to do this coming week? I have to invest back into the commodities fund that I follow to get exposure to commodities, hopefully getting a nice ride up along the way. It's nice and simple anyway, which is just how I like it. Now, if you want to see a weekly update, a weekly video via email, then you need to just sign up on my email list on my website, which is just here. I'm not a financial advisor, remember. This video is just about what I'm doing. I'm not recommending that you do it, and I'm not making any claim about how well this strategy might perform for me or indeed anybody in the future. If you do it and copy me, you do it at your own risk. So just regard this video as entertainment. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to catching up with you next weekend. Bye for now.